Welcome to Study Skills, 10th grade. This is your syllabus. I'm going to go through it with you. Just want to let you know that if you have me for 5th period study skills, we'll be meeting in room 102. If you have me for period 6 study skills, we'll be meeting in room 318, which is the chorus room. So, what is study skills for? Well, this class is going to provide a time for some direct instruction in study skills, which we're going to be doing through a program called Thinker Academy, and to promote some positive study habits, to give you some time for remediation if you need it, ask some questions, use extra time for your tests and quizzes, complete your assignments for your classes. This is a quiet time where work will be completed. When we are on campus, it will be silent while we do this work together, unless we're breaking into small groups to work on different things. While you're at home, some days you're going to check in with me, some days you're not. So you'll see that on your agenda each day, and I will show that to you during our first day of class. So class expectations are: be prepared for class. You need to have your laptop charged every day. You will not be sitting against the wall charging your laptop during this class. So you need to charge your laptop just like you charge your cell phone every night. You will be maintaining an agenda with your assignments written for each class and marked off each evening as you complete them. There will be several options, but all students must maintain an agenda. You cannot pass this class if you do not maintain an agenda. Next, be polite. So treat others as you want to be treated. I want is to be a positive place, a positive attitude. There will be no disrespecting one another. You'll be kind to one another. And third thing for this class is be productive. I want you to complete your assignments on time. That's what this class is for. And I want to be here to help you get those things done. Goals for learning: you're going to learn how to study, some time management techniques, reviewing and revising work, chunking some assignments, additional assistance. This Thinker Academy program that we're going to be doing, we're probably going to be doing it on Fridays. This is a program that has several different modules that we will walk through and learn about different learning strategies, how to adapt a growth mindset, how memory works, so helping you understand how to remember things for assignments later on, setting goals, preparing ahead, being engaged, using different strategies to increase reading comprehension and improve your analytical skills, manage time management. This is big, preparing for tests. So we're going to be doing that, and you're going to start applying those new skills directly to your course material. You can create your account by clicking right here. Everybody will need to create that account, so that's something I encourage you to do. When we are on campus, if you need additional support in math, there is another Math 2 class that is happening at the same time as my 5th period and 6th period classes. So if we need to do something where you split and you go up to that classroom for an additional help, or just to listen to the lesson again, that will be something that is available for you. So we talked about completing that agenda each day. I'll give you more information on that, but it needs to be something I'm going to go ahead and say on paper. Because we're doing remote learning, I want you to write down everything that you're doing in each of your classes every day. The reason I'm having you do this is so that you can mark those things off, and whatever you don't finish, you'll know that you have to go back and do it. With remote learning, it's a little different than the in-person learning. The stuff's not going to be written on the board. It's all going to be on the computer. So I want you to make a running list for yourself each day and mark the stuff off as you do it. If you finish it in class, great, mark it off. If you have to finish it later, then when you finish it, you will mark it off. You'll be taking pictures of your agenda each day and submitting them. After Monday, you'll be submitting 2 pictures each day. It'll be the day before with the completed agenda, and the day of with the agenda completed up until study skills. The only class you will not need to do an agenda for is study skills. If you are absent, you are expected to complete your assignments within 5 days. So the only real assignment that you will have from me is going to be submitting your agenda and Academy assignments that we will do on Fridays. So some e-learning, remote, hybrid expectations. So everything above still applies. If you're unable to attend a Zoom session that I have scheduled for us, then you need to email me ahead of time. When you are on a Zoom conference, you're expected to have your video turned on. It is unprofessional to leave your screen blank. It's a good life skill. So when we are having class on Zoom, I need to see you so that we can interact with one another. Some little tips here for e-learning. Set up a space for yourself that is not in your bed. Find a well-lighted location, in or outdoors, a chair, a table. Make sure you have notebook, pens, pencils, your agenda, and a charged computer with you. I don't want you doing e-learning from your bed. You can be in your bedroom if that's where your space is set up, but not laying down in bed. You need to be sitting up as if you are at school. So for each class, you should write in your agenda the things that you're being asked to do for the day. So for example, watch video, complete a Google form, summarize Schoology discussion board. So if you jot each of those things down, like you know at the beginning of the day, these are the things I have to do for English. As you do each of them, mark them off your list. Or draw a line through it or check your box, whatever it is. This is what I'll be checking for study skills. This is what I'm looking for. Here is a distance learning resource that I created for parents and students. You're welcome to check that out. Parents, I encourage you to check that out. I've got some articles here that just support study skills, ways to improve your motivation, learning strategies, some study tips, so check those articles out if you would like. Your grade for this class will come mostly from your agenda. 2 points per class per day. 2 bonus points per week for no missing assignments. You won't be penalized for missing assignments. However, parents will be notified weekly if you have missing assignments in your classes. We will be having individual meetings at the end of each week to review your classes. As the year goes on, if you have any questions, you need to contact me. This is my email address. If you have hardware issues like laptop issues, you'll want to contact Nick Cox. If you have software or Schoology issues, you want to contact Jamie Lord. Here's her email. For this class, I think you should join my Remind. I'll have Remind texts that go out. So for study skills, this is what you're going to do. You're going to text at STSKILLS10, the number 81010. And you're all in my English 2 class, so go ahead. For English 2 updates, text at ING2222 to the number 81010. Just to give you a little bit of COVID-related information, once we are in session, as long as masks are still mandatory, this is how to wear a mask. These are all the ways not to wear a mask. This is how to wear the mask. It needs to cover your nose at all times, your chin at all times. It should not have big gaps on the sides. We all want to stay well, so we will be wearing our masks together. All of our requirements come from these sites, so you can go in and check these if you need to. This comes from the LNC plan. So it just kind of goes over some of the criteria, things that may happen as we're in school. There's a symptom screening when you come in each day. Whoops, sorry about that. Symptom screening as you come in each day. If you do become sick, you have certain people you need to contact. That will be Rebecca Shipman and our high school assistant principal, Marcus Prentice. If you have questions about the schedule, this is the Plan B schedule right here. We are not in Plan B yet, but if we move to that, then you have this information. Right now we are in Plan C. This is the schedule for each day. In period 1, 2, 3, we have a short break, periods 4, 5, 6, 7, and then lunch and then office hours from 1 to 2. So you can contact your teachers at any time during those office hours or on Wednesday seminars.